everyone, Angelica here with Larry the Computer Guy. We are an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan, specializing in cybersecurity and compliance. Today for tech tips. If you are ever in a pinch and need to scan a document but don't have access to a scanner, you can use your smartphone. Adobe Scan is a great option for apps to download, allowing you to take a photo of the document you need scanned. The Adobe Scan app will then create a PDF from the photo, which you can then send or submit wherever you need. Adobe Scan is great for Android or iPhone usage and is great for capturing the kind of documents you need scanned on a once-in-a-while basis, like rebate forms, tax documents, or the occasional business card. It isn't as complex or powerful as other apps like Cam Scanner or Scan Pro, and Adobe Scan can only do PDF versions of the document. However, its simplicity makes it extremely easy to use, and its scans look better than from those in comparison. It automatically stores every scan you capture on Adobe's document cloud, so your scans can be accessible from any phone, tablet, or computer you use. And its useful dedicated scanning modes mean you can add new contacts from any business card and fill out forms right on your device. We hope this tip helps you, and I hope you have a great week. Bye.